Government really needs to think about the policy aspect as well as look at tools, AI-based tools like Socure that are being used widely in the financial services space, which has been dealing with this for a lot longer because online banking, digital banking has been a thing for decades now. Digital government is relatively new and was really catalyzed by the pandemic. And we're not going backwards. We're just putting more and more services and benefits online, which means more and more money that's being distributed through digital channels. Socure's decision module, which effectively takes very sophisticated kind of outputs of our machine learning models and simplifies down to an accept, a reject, a refer, which would be like going to a manual review, and really kind of simplifies so that we can think about all the different custom strategy that a use case requires in government that's unique to the data they're collecting and the risk tolerance that they have for fraud in a given use case, which varies across the board. But it really simplifies a lot of the very complex things that Socure has built for the purposes of identity verification and identity fraud prevention. For the first time ever, identity has been named as the #1 priority across state CIOs, and I would say it's probably pretty close for federal CIOs as well. And so, we believe that with identity being now considered critical infrastructure for digital strategy and digital government, that Socure has a very meaningful role in how that evolves over time. And so, we're really proud after our second year of being in government to be serving 9 states and 13 state agencies and 2 federal agencies, with a whole lot more that are very interested and currently engaged with us today so that we can help restore a lot of trust that has been eroded because of the identity fraud that we saw happen during the pandemic.